Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I got 5 outfit ideas for spring season 2019. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Hope you enjoyed this video and also give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye! For my first outfit, I'm wearing yellow light sweater from Splash, and my skirt is from Core, it's Korean store, and my shoes from PUMA, and my bag is from Zara. You can carry it as a clutch or hang it over your shoulders, and my sunglasses from Ray-Ban. I call this outfit casual daytime look. My second outfit is very simple but very elegant style, one of my favorite. It's all about black, since black always going strong, and as Coco Chanel stated, black wipes out everything around. Oh, I guess I forgot to smile here, but sending you loads of smiles. You can play with black as much as you want by ending up with your favorite accessories. The basic wardrobe should have a beige coat or jacket, which goes with everything. My third outfit is again very simple and elegant. As I mentioned, beige color matches with everything. One more basics of my wardrobe here is my white t-shirt from Zara Basics. As you can see, if the colors are chosen correctly, even the scarf will look very stylish. And it's very important to add up accessories here. They will emphasize your style in this look. Same light sweater will go perfectly with any skirt. I have chosen a maxi one, it gives more girlier look. As I love to say always, you don't have to have hundreds of outfits to look stylish and elegant. If you have the right color stuff, you can always play with them. Make sure you have different colors available in your wardrobe, which can be mixed easily with each other. As you can see, I have purple scarf on me, yellow sweater and green skirt, and I guess even if it sounds scary, it definitely looks stylish. As this outfit is rich in color, the accessories should be minimized. The last but not least, I'm sure every girl has one pair of jeans which goes with everything, and here I'm wearing my jeans with simple grey classic t-shirt, and I fulfilled it with gorgeous heels from Zara Woman. But if you choose sneakers over the heels, it will be still elegant but more of high street style. And yeah, this is all for now. Thanks for watching, and more videos are coming. Take care and love yourself. Bye!